All right, SOFI update here on the 27th. So we went nice move today, 7% up to 915. I didn't really do anything because again I have my no touch position that I'm holding for at least 16 bucks. But and I don't think it's a very good spot to sell cover calls unless you're doing it on your swing position, extra shares or whatever. Because I think this move is not finished yet. I think we have some more to go. And honestly, on this move, trying to figure out exactly where it's going to top at, it's easier if I just go over this shorter term move right here. So again, if we zoom in here, we have 5 waves right here. We pulled back, that's a second wave right there. Drew a parallel line from the bottom here to the second wave, and you can see here we went through that parallel line. This was 5 waves right here. So we clearly went through that parallel line if I draw from the bottom here to the bottom here. So we are in a third wave of a third wave right now, is what I see. So I would be looking for a pullback probably, unless this extends back here for a fourth wave here soon. And then we should get a fifth wave higher. And honestly, that fifth wave is probably going to fill this gap here at 955 into daily supply here. I would say somewhere in the high 9s we should go to. And that's only the third wave. And at this point, we know it's probably not an ABC move because, well, I guess it could still be, but there's not a very good chance because this looks like 5 waves in itself, but we have not hit the 1.61 fib yet. But it looks like we are in a third wave of a third wave. I'd be looking for something in this daily supply zone. And then again, you'd be looking for another fourth wave. So another pullback here and then another move higher. Based on all this, I would project this to break above 10 bucks. Just based on where we're at right now. I'd project at least like 1050. There's a gap fill at 1130. So that's only just based on this move. That's what I see. So today's move was very nice. Probably caught some people by surprise. They weren't expecting it, but it brings in the possibility that we are in a 5-wave move here. I still don't think that we are ready to go for the third wave. I still think that there is a very good chance that we are in some kind of ABC move up here. Which the good part about that is if we do come up here to the top of the range, then we can come back down here to finish the whole move and not come down as far. So maybe come back down here to like 7 or 8 bucks. So again, this is all, if there's no market crash, then maybe this will change again. I've been expecting a market crash, or not a market crash, a market correction, I'm sorry. Sometime in March and maybe in April as well. So if we don't get that, then this might change as well. But right now, the short-term time frame, that's what we're looking at. Invalidation is right here at 858. If we break below that, that means that this 5-wave move is finished. So if we hold 858 and we pull back here and go higher, then we're probably in the end of a third wave. Pull back and then go higher again. It could go all the way to 12 bucks if it extends. The bottom here though was at 712. This is at 720. That's only an 8 cents difference. So I guess my target, my thoughts would probably be somewhere between like 1050 and 1060 would be my target. And then after that, it could start selling off again. So I don't think we're in the third wave because again, this looks to me like an expanded flat here. And we can't start a third wave like that. Also, this right here, well, I guess this could be, let's see, 746, this is at 715. So yeah, anywhere between like 1050 and 11 would be my target. So that would give us another $1.50 upside. And then I would expect a pretty good correction after that. We can look at the standard deviations as well to see where we're at in the move. kind of give you an idea of where we would top out at. So this is saying, just by standard deviations, this is saying like 975. 1050 might actually be pushing it a little bit. You can see here in July we were way outside. We were probably at 3.5 standard deviations. So expected move is probably in the high 9s, which is the lowest in range I see. But we're probably going to make it to at least 955 into this daily supply zone here. So that's 951 all the way up here to 1010. After that, I'm expecting a pullback, and probably the bottom of this range, you can see it's down here at $7. So that's pretty much all I got to say about the update today. Look for more upside short term, and then you're probably going to see a correction, I would say, in early to mid-March. So that is it. Leave me a comment, like, subscribe for more updates. I'll keep you updated on SOFI. Let's see if we can get up to 1050 or $11.